This is Mr. Sniffles, and also showing how bad his cage gets because of his constant nasal drip. But I just bought him a new brush that he loves. Oh yes, he loves this. It's a self-cleaning brush. I'm not a left-handed person, but oh, bless you, Mr. Sniff. Yeah. You can see his left eye is getting really bad right here. He's been on several antibiotics, but we just can't get to the infection that's all the way up in here. So hopefully we'll be able to get him into Laurel Kinder's clinic. Her surgeon's out of town for 10 days, but when he gets back, hopefully we'll be able to take him in there and start getting him some real help. Okay, bye for now.